The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello, everyone. In the last 3 days, there had been some decent rainfall totals from here, especially towards Richmond. And then as you get further towards the south, South Carolina, parts of Alabama and Mississippi had a good amount of rain. But to switch this over to the national radar right now, there is not a whole lot going on really anywhere on the eastern side of the country. Little bit of shower activity in parts of Florida, but you have to go up into North Dakota to really see anything more organized. It's going to be a while before we get any sort of consistent showers. Once they do arrive, it's really going to cool us down. I think the thing you'll notice the most through tonight into tomorrow is what we're going to see in terms of fog. Now, visibility is really not too bad through the evening itself. Temperatures are going to stay a little on the warm side for that to develop. But around midnight, we've got pretty low visibility up into the highlands, with Phil staying towards 0 and Blacksburg at 1. Now, basically, anytime it's over quarter, half mile, it's still fine if you're driving. But we're going to see a lot more places closer to the 1-0 mark by the time you're waking up on Monday, consistently through part of the morning, and even into somewhat of that late morning hour. Because we've got a lot of cloud cover and there's plenty of moisture to go around, it's hard for that to mix out quite as quickly as what we would expect if we had lots of sunshine. Now, the flip side of that is because we have all those clouds, we do stay pretty warm overnight. Roanoke's still at 45, Southside at 45 for the low, and the NRV is at 42. And on the future tracker, it doesn't really come down as showers at any point. We'll still have a good amount of cloud cover through tonight into tomorrow with maybe some sprinkles, but nothing's really impressive through Monday morning. As we get towards Monday afternoon, I wouldn't be surprised to see some showers on our eastern edge, but that's not going to bring a lot of accumulation. Just kind of keeping the roads and sidewalks wet a little bit. As you're waking up on Tuesday, most of that is going to be taken care of. Now, Tuesday in the afternoon, we start to see some lighter showers coming from the west. I don't think the rain totals are very impressive there either, but they are ahead of our next system on Wednesday, which is going to bring some more consistent rain. Before that actually arrives, just to give you a preview of what those rain totals are, most of us stay under 1/10 of an inch, and that's both with the eastern ones that come through on Monday and with the ones that come through a little bit later on Tuesday, especially into the Highlands and NRV. On Wednesday, though, we are expecting more consistent rain. Because of the lack of rainfall that we've got on both those days and the little pieces of sunshine that we've got peeking through, we can get a little warmer on Monday. That'll help us get to the mid-60s in the NRV and Highlands, close to 70 in Roanoke, Lynchburg, and Southside, and then see even more 70s on Tuesday. So looking pretty well above average for quite some time. Once Wednesday's rain comes, it really does cool us down, and with more rain coming over the weekend, we're going to fall even further. Tonight, we've still got fog with all the moisture and heat going around. Roanoke's at 45. Tomorrow, we can warm up okay with some extra warm air coming in and holding on to plenty of heat. That keeps Roanoke at 69. Temperatures are going to be even warmer on Tuesday with most of us in the 70s, and then we stay in the 70-ish range for part of Tuesday afternoon before really falling on Wednesday. It's going to bring us back to the 60s, some consistent rain. I think the flood chance is generally low comparing what we were looking at earlier on to what it's now. I don't think it's too impressive. And then we've got that next round of rain on Saturday.